Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5062553, because of this error, that is 0x80070002. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update and then click on pause over here. And then this process will take some time. So just wait for some time till you see resume updates option. So hit resume update. So just pause and resume and then you can check. Still not working. Next step is to start app readiness service. Now for this, open services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. And then find app readiness. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. And then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to system, go to troubleshoot over here. Now click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows update. Click on run. Now on this screen, here you can see run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, and then you can see the option I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Click on it, and here you can see the option which says can we run the Windows Update Automated Diagnostic? Hit yes. Just follow the on-screen instruction to run the troubleshooter. In my case, it never works, so you can try this. It may work for you. So here you can see the Windows Update Diagnostic failed to run. So I always receive this error, but you will also see an option which says, would you like to talk to agent? So if you want to continue, you can click on yes and you can talk to Microsoft agent. Still not working. The next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now for this, you can type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on the Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now once done, now you can try to update it once again. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Go to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. If there is any update, you will see update now option or install now option. In my case, it is already up to date. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update, that is KB5062553, and then search for this update. For me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. So you can check what kind of system you have. You can open Windows settings, go to system, go to about section over here. You will see system type x64 based processor. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. Click on download. And then over here, you will see KB5062553. Click on it. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. If that does not work, you can even install this one and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Open Notepad. Paste all the command. Go to file, save as, name this file as wuauserv.bat. For save as type, select all files, click on save. You can set it to desktop. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wufix file, make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you always run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now let the process complete. Now during this, if you receive a prompt to proceed with the operation, you have to type in Y and hit the enter key, Y for yes. And during this process, first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, there are multiple scans. So if you see these commands here, you can see these are scans. So these scans will take a lot of time. And once the scans are complete, 100% complete, all the scans, it will restart all the Windows update services and then it will close automatically. And once this is done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. Click on reinstall now. This process will again take time, and once this is complete, you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Download this tool. And run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept. Then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here. Then click on next. Set the location as desktop. Save. This process will take some time. It will download the file and then click on finish. Once you click on finish, you will see this screen. It will close automatically. Do not close it manually. Let it complete and then you can go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file over here. You will see the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow and then click on next. Click on accept and then here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this option is checked and then click on install. And after the installation, this process will again take some time. And after the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.